Hey y'all, I am back with some more organization tips for you, and today's topic is spring cleaning your garage. If you're like me and your garage is starting to look more like a storage space than an actual garage, you're not alone, trust me. Plus, mine, I moved in a few months ago, and so it definitely looks like a storage space and needs a spring cleaning. Today, I'm walking you through a simple step-by-step spring cleaning garage process that will help you declutter, organize, and keep it that way for good. Let's get into it. Step number 1, a full clear out. Take everything out of your garage. Just put it outside of the garage. I know it sounds extreme, but this is truly the best way to see exactly what you're working with. You're forced to handle every single item, which is a great start to decluttering everything. Then you have a blank slate to start with and organize from there, which is so helpful in decluttering. Tip number 2, sort into categories. So you're gonna start with 4 categories: keep, trash, donate, and relocate. These are pretty simple. Anything you want to keep, obviously put in a pile. Anything you want to trash, make sure you have trash bags handy or boxes handy that you can just go throw in the dumpster, set on the curb. Donate, obviously we know what this means, but a tip for you on donations. If you use trash bags, label your trash bags. You can get masking tape, put donation on the trash bag so they don't accidentally end up in the trash pile. Same with boxes. Put a masking tape, donate, or just write it on there. And then relocate. If these are things that don't even belong in the garage, they belong elsewhere in your house, you can set a pile aside for that so that when it comes time, you can bring those items in and put them where they are supposed to go. Sorting them into categories makes your decisions so much easier because you're not trying to organize while you are decluttering. Simplify your process, streamline it, and make it go that much faster. Tip number 3, be ruthless. It's time to be honest with yourself. Same when you go through your closet. If you haven't used it in the past year, do you really need it? If it's something that you've put aside saying you're gonna fix someday, is that really gonna happen? Be honest, be ruthless, get rid of the clutter. If you haven't touched it in the past year, odds are it's not happening, right? Trust me, I am the world's worst at this. I think, oh, surely I'll use this again someday, and put it aside. And guess what? It doesn't get used. It's clutter in my garage, and it's still there years later. Letting go of these types of things is what really creates more space for the items that you do have and do use all the time. Tip number 4, deep clean your garage. While we have all our stuff outside of the garage and before we start bringing that stuff back in and organizing, deep clean your garage. Take a broom to it, hose it down, wipe down things that need to be wiped down. Work on heavier stains if you have like oil stains or any stains from cars in the garage. Starting fresh makes a huge difference before we bring back all of that stuff into the garage. Plus, it's so much cleaner. You don't have to deal with cobwebs and bugs and leaves and dirt. It's just clean, and it will look so nice when it's all done. Tip number 5, vertical storage. This is the easiest way to get your stuff up off the ground. Use your walls that you have. Hang up shelves. Put hooks on the wall. Pegboards. And I'll also add to this, use the shelving that you have that may be on the ground, but it is up against the wall. I actually had like a 4-tier shelving unit in my home, and I decided to put that in my garage to help store my stuff where it is more vertical instead of all on the ground. So use what you have, but if you can, use that vertical space on the wall. Using that vertical space creates even more space, and it's actually easier to access those items than trying to dig around on the ground, behind things and all that. So it is just on the wall, ready for you right there. Tip number 6, clear bins and labels. If you have clear bins available, use them. That way you can see exactly what's in your bins. So easy when you're searching for an item. My favorite way is labeling, okay? If you love to organize, labeling is key. I put labels on my clear bin so I know exactly where my stuff is. But I will say, after moving, I have a lot of boxes that are not clear, obviously. And so I use the AIPackNFind labeling system to quickly find my items right there in my app. There's no more searching and digging in boxes trying to remember where did I put that specific item. Just add your label, scan the QR code, add your items, and then later on when you're looking for stuff, pull up the app, search for your item, and there you have it, your missing item. There are just some things that belong in bins and boxes in the garage when you have nowhere else to put them. So labeling makes it a breeze to find them once you need them again. Another tip in this category is group like things together. So if you have all your holiday items, all winter stuff, all summer stuff, group all that together so that you're not looking through Christmas stuff, looking for a summer tank top, let's say. So if you group stuff together like that, at least you have a starting point on where to look for your items. It saves you so much time later on. Tip number 7 kind of goes with tip number 6. Group your stuff in zones. Okay, so just like when you pack stuff up in boxes and label them with like items, create zones for like items. So let's say over here you have your tool section. Over here you have your holiday decorations. Over here you have your gardening stuff. When you have zones like that, again, when you're walking out into the garage looking for items, you know exactly which area to go to find the item that you need. This keeps everything organized and very easy to find. Tip number 8, maintenance routine. Instead of doing this once a year and it takes you hours and hours, set a simple maintenance routine that you can do every single month. Do a small monthly reset, and then every season, do a deep clean of your garage so that it takes that much less time and you're decluttering in the process, because then you see items and you're like, I really don't need that. I'm gonna donate that. I'm gonna sell that. I'm gonna get rid of that. So it helps keep it up to date, but it also helps your memory because you're seeing all your items more than just once a year. Having that simple maintenance routine prevents clutter from building up again and keeps your garage clean long term. And that's it, y'all. Super simple, easy steps to do over and over to keep your garage looking fresh and clean and organized. Garage spring cleaning doesn't have to be overwhelming. Just take it step by step and you'll end up with a garage space that actually works for you. If you found these tips helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and leave me a comment on which tip you're gonna try first. See y'all next time.